Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Animal Company. Never played this before on the channel, but finally they've had the update. We should be getting some of the new items. Whoa. Whoa, it's like a shield. Okay, I'm gonna test this in a minute. Hold up. Shields can go in backpacks. Whoa, what the? Whoa. This is like a lance, isn't it? Wait. Can you get long arms? Oh, I didn't mean to get that. Okay, I remember when everyone used to use... Whoa, these are heavy. Can't see, that's the weight. Wait, I have to take off my bag. These things are heavy, that's half weight, just with these. Wait, I'm gonna go and find some turkeys. Wait, they might not even still be here. Oh yeah, they are. Okay, this actually makes you really slow. This probably isn't worth it. I'm gonna also see how much these sell for. Oh, but these are good for range. Whoa, what the hell's down here? Bro, they need to stop changing this. Every single update it seems to change now. So, I don't know what's down there now. I think that's probably going to be red light, green light, and haunted. But I've already got a bunch of ray guns, so I don't really need to get new ones. These things are... They're cool, but I wouldn't say... Like, you are so much lighter without them. Okay, so that's the shield. I don't know where, like, someone like Rock Monkey would probably be the best one for this. I mean, see, I'll bring this with me. I mean, might as well. I mean, I'll walk a bit quicker. You're quicker with one. It's probably best to just use one if you are going to use them. I don't even think that this does damage. Because unless they've made the turkey's hitbox a lot smaller. Huh, a bit weird. Well, I'm going to assume this shield just probably blocks attacks. I guess that's kind of cool. But, no, have they added the revolver? Because everyone was saying that the revolver would be out. I'm not sure if it is. That thing is actually so annoying. Makes you so slow. Wait, can you do shield bash like you do in Utes? Like, no, I doubt you can. Okay, so huh? Wait, the revolver isn't out. If you didn't know, basically we were meant to get the revolver out, but I guess we're not. What the? My bag is not bagging correctly. That bag. Still though, I think if you are going hunting, this is probably still going to be the best weapon. Because like, where's a neighborhood friendly turkey? Okay. Probably gonna be it for today's video. There isn't actually much in this update. So, bye.